Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Nakisha and you are watching my channel 8AW Knowledge Consultancy. Now, dear viewers, today I'm going to start a new topic which is a very vital and essential topic. Now, all those viewers, those who are GCSE, A-level, graduate, university graduates, it's related to these type of people, professionals, managers. As you know, dear viewers, that I have taught in UK and Pakistan. In UK, I have taught Key Stage 1 to Key Stage 5 as a private tutor and Level 4 to Level 7 as a regular lecturer in different colleges. Without any doubt, the UK education system is the best in the world. More logical, more critical, more understandable. Dear viewers, I've seen a lot of good students, those who have a very good communication skills. They are immaculate, simply superb in their speaking English. In their spoken English, they are very accurate. But when it comes to writing, they are struggling a bit. This is a very important topic. You might have observed in different institutes that students are really lacking how to write a correct, professional, innovative English. Today I have started a new domain, new topic, that is how to improve English writing skills. Dear viewers, as you know, my previous lectures, the basic grammar, I will continue with episode 1, 2, 3 onwards up to 10 to 15 episode. This is a new topic, that how to improve English writing skills. I told you, my viewers, that I'm gonna teach you basic English, advanced English and IELTS. Now dear viewers, let's see how to improve English writing skills. Now, lot of people, those who are students, those who are managers, teachers, professionals, what they want, that we must achieve proficiency in written language. If you want to become a manager, chief executive, you need to have a very accurate, proficient spoken and written skills. Now, dear viewers, if you look at how to improve English writing skills, I'm going to teach you first the basic principles, 10 principles which you have to follow in order to write a very good English. And then practically I'm going to dictate you, I'm going to give you few topics and we will inshallah move along on and on. Now let's see, first thing is how to improve your English. Now first is that there are a lot of strategies through which you can improve your English. Some of these here. First is the consistent learning. As you know, dear viewers, that if you want to write something, you need to have learning. First of all, you need to improve your learning. How? You know, dear viewers, that knowledge is not confined in few books. It's your understanding. You have to have an approach where you can learn certain articles through newspapers, through internet, through other sources, and this way you will develop your understanding and knowledge. So consistent learning with passion, motivation. Second is the improve your grammar. I have told you that in my other lectures where I have started the grammar, basic grammar, you need to improve. Dear viewers, until and unless you have command on grammar, you won't be able to write anything, dear. You got my point? Thank you. Third is the improve your vocabulary. Now, if someone has vast grip on vocabulary, he or she will be able to write a very good English, very good English. Now, let's see what's the fourth point. Improve your spellings. As you know, dear, that without spellings, we can't do anything. Too many mistakes in spellings will create a negative impact on your writing skills. Fifth one is improve your level of understanding. Now here I'm going to explain what type of level of understanding. Mark my words. There are different ways to approach a thing. To approach a topic, you need to open your mind. You need to think out of the box. You need to think creatively, more innovative style in order to have an understanding. First, you need to develop an understanding, and when these three will be okay. Then think, generate creative and innovative ideas. My dear viewers, how you can be more creative and innovative? When you start thinking from out of the box, when you start thinking out of the box. Happy? Now, you can ask me that, Mr. Shah, how we can think out of the box? Look, try to be more genuine, create your own originality, think different ideas, how can you put these ideas into a practical shape? So this is, now people have lot of ideas, you can take help through different things. Then develop a small questionnaire, questions related to a particular topic. Now this is, mark my word dear viewers, this is very, very important. You got my point? This is very, very important. Now always whenever a topic is given to you, always think, develop few small questions, like for example 3 to 5 questions, and then try to answer these questions. The topic is always there. Then next is the follow a proper sequence. Writing is very, very special, that you need to follow a sequence. Always write in a proper sequence. When you have clear understanding, when your learning will be improved, you will have a vast command on your vocabulary, your spellings will be good, your understanding would be higher, you will have creative and innovative approach. Obviously, you will follow a proper sequence. Happy? I think so you are happy. Then adopt a logical and critical approach. Now that point is very, very vital, my dear lovely viewers. How can you be logical and critical? For example, look, logic means that there is a reasoning and you have to answer that reasoning. You have to justify that answer. Logical and critical approach means that whatever you are saying, you have to justify with arguments. You have to justify that thing with arguments, with examples, with arguments, with the logic. My dear viewers, develop a strategy to arrive at a conclusion. How can you develop a strategy? This is a pretty simple thing. You can develop that strategy through these points, through these all points. Your learning, your practice will enable you to arrive at a conclusion. These are golden principles, my dear viewers, which you have to follow in order to achieve proficiency in your written English. Now, one thing I would like to discuss, you dear viewers, at the end, above all, you need to develop a passion to improve your writing skills. Mark my word, whatever you do, you will be successful when once you develop passion. From the core of your heart, bottom of your heart, you will realize, now I need to improve my English. Honestly, believe me, then sky is the limit, my dear. Lot of young kids, they have 15, 16, 14 years kids, they are very good in the computers, IT skills. Why? Because it's their passion and taste. So develop that passion and taste. Believe me, then sky is the limit for you. This is my first introductory lecture in which I have told you what guidelines you need in order to improve your writing skills. Now, viewers, one topic I'm going to give you in my next episode. I will teach you, dictate you. First of all, we will develop a questionnaire, small questionnaire. Then I'm going to dictate you, we will write that topic. So write a question number 1. In next lecture, we will surely, inshallah, write the answer in a very correct, very professional manner. Why? Write this question, please. Take out your notebooks, pens and pencils with you. Write this question. Why it is essential and important to improve your English? Why it is essential and important to improve your English? Whether you are students, whether you are teacher, whether you are manager, whether you are any profession you need to improve your English. In next episode, we will answer that question. Now, dear viewers, may Allah Ta'ala Subhanahu wa Ta'ala bless you all comforts of life with lots of prayers, lots of respect and lots of love. Do remember me in your prayers. And one important thing, last but not the least, this is my humble request to you, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Very welcome. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.